Hello there, welcome to this video. My name is Simon. I'm the GDG organizer from CAB University, and welcome to this video where I will be showing you the 10 must-know Windows shortcuts that will increase your productivity if you get to use them in your work. So, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe so that you always updated whenever we have a new video uploaded. So in number 10, without wasting time, in number 10, we have the Control Shift N. Now let me get to somewhere where I want to create a new folder. So here, if I want to create my folder here, I'll press Control Shift N. And there we go. The new folder is created with the default name. So I'll give it the name of my choice. I'll give it a name of my choice, maybe folder X. Then I press enter and I'm done. To create another one, still I go Control Shift N and there we go. I can give it a name of my choice and press enter. So that's how you create folders in a quick way. Then in number 9, I have Control Shift Escape. Now, if I'm here and I press Control Shift followed by Escape, the taskbar is opening and there we go. So the taskbar is where you get to see all of the tasks or applications that are currently open and running. So right now I have my Google Chrome open. I have the Microsoft PowerPoint open. I have the Task Manager open, Windows Explorer, and the Zoom meetings. So here I can monitor how all these tasks are performing, which percentage of the CPU are they taking, which percentage of memory, disk, and so on. And if I want to, I can still end some processes or tasks from here. So that is the taskbar. I can close it. Then moving on, in number 8, I have a couple of them here, which I just combined into one because they work hand in hand. The first one is Control A. Control A is for highlighting everything. Now, if I click here and I want to highlight everything which is here, I just press Control A and everything is highlighted. After this, I can do anything, which one of the things is copying. Now, if I want to copy all the text that is here, after highlighting Control A, I press Control Copy. And now I've copied. Let's say I have a new document. Let me create a new document. Chap. Okay. Okay. I have a new document here. And let me insert some text box somewhere. Now, remember, let me begin from highlighting everything, then copying. Now going back to this document that I've just created, I can now paste. We have Control V somewhere is for pasting what you copied or cut. If I come back, I just press Control V and there we go. I've pasted what I've copied from the other side. So that is how Control A, Control C works. Now there is Control X. Now the difference between Control C and Control X, Control C, I just get to copy this content here, but the original remains here. But when I do Control X, I'm going to remove this from the original location. Now if I go Control X, you see it is no longer there. When I go to the other side, I just say Control V and I paste it. But if you don't want to remove it, the original content from where it is, you just do Control C. You just copy. So let me go Control Z to undo that. So that is still another shortcut there for you. Okay, so that is that. Then in number 7, I have Control Z and Control Y. Control Z is for undo. Then Control Y is to redo. So we've already seen this. If let's say there's something you did by mistake and you want to undo that action, maybe instead of copying this, I cut it and it is no longer there. So I want to undo that action and go one step back. I just go Control Z and I'm back. To redo is to repeat the task which you have done, moving back the step ahead. So Control Y, you see, to go a step ahead from what I had done. Control Z, a step back. So that is that. Then number 6, we have Windows D. This is for minimizing all the open windows and return to the desktop. So right now, like we saw from my taskbar, I have a lot of tasks open. Now, if I want to minimize all of them and return to the desktop, in one move, I would do Windows D. Oh, what did I press? When I go Windows D, there we go. I'm back to my desktop. So that is that. I can now do something else, maybe open VS Code, go try mapping or anything just by doing that. So let me come back. That is my 6th shortcut for you today. Then in number 5, I have Windows plus E. Now, Windows plus E helps you to open the File Explorer. Windows E. Okay, there we go. File Explorer, this is where you can try to navigate through your PC and you try to work with different files that are on your machine. Here, I can navigate to the desktop. I can go my PC. I can go to the desktop. That's, you know what the File Explorer does. So that is the shortcut for accessing the File Explorer. Now, in number 4, Windows plus R. This helps you to open and run the dialog box. Let's try it. Windows plus R. And there we go. You can put ipconfig to try and config your internet configurations. And I say, okay. Okay, it is opening. Is it opening? Windows R. One of the common ones is CMD. Maybe I want to open the command prompt. This is how you can quickly open it. You just write CMD here. When you press enter, and there we go. So here I can do anything. Maybe I want to install some softwares. Maybe I want to check whether I have some softwares on my machine. You know that you can do this from the command prompt. So that is the quickest way how you can open it using some Windows shortcuts. Okay, so in number 3, we have the Windows plus Shift plus S. This helps you to take a quick screenshot of your area of interest and it is copied to the clipboard. So this one is a very interesting one, like you'll get to see. And personally, I use it a lot these days. So let's say I want to copy something here. And okay, I'll just say Windows plus Shift plus S. When I press that, the screen will turn a little bit dark and then you'll see this cross here. Are you seeing this? The cursor has brought something which is like a cross. Now this is for directing you on what you want to copy, because on what you want to take a screenshot of, so that you don't take the screenshot of the entire screen, but only the area of interest. So maybe I want to copy maybe I want to copy only a few words from here. Maybe I want to copy this Google Developer Groups logo. So I'll come here and you double click, then you drag. Okay, so I'm dragging around, moving around until when I have what I want. So if you're there, that's what you want, you release. Now, when you release, it will be copied to the clipboard, which means it is already copied. Now, if I go somewhere, maybe in the other document, in this document, remember I copied it from the other side. So here I'll just say Control V, paste. You see it is there. I hope you got this. Let me repeat it one more time. The shortcut is Windows Shift S. Then the screen is turning a little bit dark. There's something I want to copy here. So this, I will press this where I want. Then you double click and hold. You double click and hold. You don't release. So you tap and hold actually. You tap and hold, then move around, move around. If you're using a mouse, you start moving around, or even if you're using the touchpad, still the same thing. You move around um, your finger until you've got the area in focus that you want to take a snapshot. Now, if I want to copy only that, if I'm sure that is it, I release. The moment you release, it is copied to the clipboard. Now, when you go to where you want to copy it from, just press Ctrl V and there we go. So you can copy literally anything, even if it is a video playing. You try it on YouTube. You have a video playing and there's something you want to copy, pause that video, then you go Windows Shift S, then you copy the area of interest, and maybe you want to have it somewhere or something like that. That is what you do. That is number 3. In number 2, I have Alt plus Tab. This helps you to quickly switch to the previous window without using your mouse or touchpad. Most of these Windows shortcuts will save you from overusing your mouse or overusing your touchpad just by using these quick Windows shortcuts. So I've been using this one since I began this video. I've just been doing Alt Tab to keep switching through windows. Maybe you're doing something and then you don't want to keep using your mouse a lot to switch from this screen to the other, from this window to the other. You just do Alt plus Tab and this helps you to quickly switch. So if I press mine right now, you see, I've switched to the document which was previously open. So the moment you click Alt Tab, it will return to the window where you were previously. Now, if I press Alt Tab again, it will take me back to the slides which we are using. And there we go. I press it back, I go to the other lastly open window. That is it. I hope this one is okay for you. You keep pressing, so you just keep switching through these two windows like that. Okay, that is number 2. Now in number 1, I have Alt and then with the use of arrow buttons. So this helps you to choose a window you want to quickly switch to. Now using Alt Tab, here you're just switching to the previously open window. But I want to have a chance, maybe I have a couple of windows open, not only 2 windows. So I want to have a chance to choose which window I want to navigate to. So here you press Alt and hold. Wait a minute. So here you press Alt and then Tab, then hold. So I hope you got this. Okay. So you press Alt and Tab, then hold. You press Alt plus Tab, then you leave Alt hold held down. Now, if it is like this, you can see it is showing me some of the several windows that are open. And I can use my arrow buttons to navigate to which window I want to navigate to. So you can see I can navigate to this, then I can still press Alt plus Tab, then leave Alt held down. Then I can navigate and maybe go here. Then maybe I want to change and then go to another window of my choice still. I will do Alt Tab, then release Tab and leave Alt held down. Still, I have all the windows, open windows listed here, and I can navigate and go back to my slides. So guys, that is it for today. I hope you got to learn a few Windows shortcuts that you didn't know. And trust me, if you use this, there is a way they will increase your productivity in whatever you're doing so that you do it in a faster way. So my name is Simon, and if you happen to like this video, please leave a like and please subscribe so that you're always notified when we get to upload a new video for you. Otherwise, you can follow me on my socials. Simon Peter McCoy on LinkedIn. I'm on X and YouTube. This is the YouTube handle for this channel called Spark Technology. And you can also send me an email on that. Till next time, bye bye.